Hey there, welcome to this exciting full stack course. In this full stack course, together you and I, we're going to build one full-fledged departmental store online application, where we'll be going to cover our front-end part in React and back-end part in our Nodejs and Fastify, where we'll be going to implement a lot of advanced topics, just like Elasticsearch, PostgreSQL, and how we can store our assets with the help of some kind of object storage, right? And finally, we'll be going to deploy our application on our cloud infrastructure. Throughout of the course, we're going to put our hands on writing a lot of codes in terms of like, if you don't know about the front end, how we can build such a kind of e-commerce application or this kind of design. Definitely, this is really very good chance for learning your front end stuff right here. If you want to advance your skill in the back end, then definitely this course is going to help you out to learn back end from the scratch to advanced level, where we'll be going to put our hands on integration of our Elasticsearch, the payment gateway, email, notifications, and a lot of things we're going to do right there. And finally, we'll be going to learn about how cloud infrastructure is working and when it comes to deployment of our front-end application and back-end application by keeping the usability and the scalability. All of these things we are going to cover right here. So that means we're going to cover this whole course from the scratch to production level. Once we are going to deploy all of these things in the cloud, then how we can do the monitoring and observability for looking the application health, all right? So if any incidents or anything is going to be happen to your application, how you can recover it, all of these things we are going to cover right here as well as. Finally, we'll be going to set up our CI/CD pipelines, where we will set up everything from the front end, everything from back end, and we will set up such a way so we can deliver our product in a trunk-based way. So that means like we'll be going to integrate the continuous integration and continuous delivery with the help of the trunk-based delivery. Throughout of this course, we're going to handle a lot of advanced topics. We're going to write a lot of codes right here. And by end of this course, if you want to become a front-end developer or a back-end developer, or if you're particularly looking for a full-stack developer role, then definitely this course is really goldmine for you. Alright, then see you right there inside the course.